Okay guys, I'm gonna do a small unboxing video of this Elite Velour Earpads from Dekoni, which I bought it from Headphone Zone. As you can see, the box is sealed. The pads is for my headphone DT 1990 Pro. It has currently got the Brainwavz Velour pads, which I bought it earlier. These are like quite big, so let's unbox it, shall we? Just a second, let me open this up. So I just got this sides open. Let's take this out of the box. This is what I got here. Sorry, I'm doing this with one hand holding the camera. This is a small, I think, the bill with here with the thank you cards on it from Headphone Zone, which is quite nice. This set aside here, and let's open this up. Oh, this is sealed here. Just a second. Let me cut this up. Okay, as you can see, it is Beyerdynamic DT Elite Velour Earpads. I just cut this seal open. Let's open this up. Wow, so quite big. Two of them. Yeah, I'm quite excited. Let's try this out on my headphone, shall we? Be right back. Okay, I noticed something before I put this on. This circle here, it's like oval shape, not round. This side is shorter than this side. As you can see, both of them are like same, and compared to the Brainwavz, like, it looks like this. The feeling is slightly different with the pads, or is it almost the same? But as you can see, I think the Brainwavz are a bit thicker, slightly. The texture is like slightly different as well. This has more of a velvety feel. This is like more of a cloth kind of feel, as you can see side by side. Sorry, this is a kind of bit dusty. I haven't been using for a while now, so I'll be right back, and I will put this thing on and see how it sounds. Okay, before I put this on again and test the headphone, I wanted to show you guys like what is the difference when I put this thing on compared to the Brainwavz. And this thing is very large. It's an XL size I had before, and this thing used to sit outside the cups, as you can see, and the Dekoni ones, the Elite Velour, sits nicely tight inside the slit of the cups for the DT 1990 Pro, and it feels like it is made for the Beyerdynamic, perfect size. And I like this one. The fit is quite nice. I haven't put this on my ears now, but I think this is going to be very nice and premium feel. Just wanted to show you guys before I put this thing on. Guys, now I've got the earpads, both of them on. Took like 2 minutes to put this thing on. It's quite easy. I'm putting this thing on the 1990 Pro, as it has that collar thing that helps to slide the earpads quite easily. Anybody can do it. So I'm gonna put this on to my headphone amp over here, which is powered by a Zen One Signature DAC. This amp I actually built it myself, and this is my other amp setup. So I'll be right back with this thing plugged in, and we'll give a short review. I'm playing this Titanic song right now through my Roon. That's my Roon server over there. Using my PC to access it and playing it. It's like quite nice quality to it. And right now I can tell you one thing, that the overall signature is kind of bit slightly warm on the treble and the mid compared to the Brainwavz I had before. It's like slightly round off, which I really like. And the bass, oh my god, is so much prominent right now. I think because it has a better seal than the Brainwavz, because the Brainwavz was so large that it was like coming almost to my chin area. I think the seal was not proper, but this thing sits perfectly onto my ears, better than the stock pads that I got from Beyerdynamic. And since the pads are quite wide right now, there is a gap in between my ear and the headphone. So I don't know if I can show this right now, but you can see it fits quite like distant from the ears. So I don't know it was visible or not, since I'm filming this myself, but the bass is quite nice, and I can right now say the sound stage is a bit better. So, and this overall sound signature is more full and rich than what the Brainwavz I used to have before. I don't know if the Brainwavz might fit somebody quite nicer if they have a bigger head than what I have, but I can say that Dekoni fits better than the Brainwavz for DT series. So that's my short review for now. I hope you all liked it. This is my first video regarding the audio gear, and see you soon.